Alright? That's the not so ordinary way to start your business. Okay? So thank you very much for that, Ma'am Rosie Wu. I just gave some points from your presentation. Right? So let's move now sa ating presentation.
Yung mga questions po natin. Okay? So yung mga questions po natin later on ay sasagutin natin after each speaker. But anyway, you have your chat naman po dyan. You can start posting your questions right away para hindi nyo na po malimutan. And then later on, i-address po natin yan right after each speaker. Okay po? So again, everyone, para sa mga kajo-join lang po sa ating webinar, our webinar for today is the not ordinary way to start your business. Welcome po sa ating mga participants. Welcome, Gilivers, to this morning's webinar. Okay, thank you so much po. And now we are now opening our microphone para po sa mga may questions po to Miss Rosie and to Dr. Gigi. So kung may question po tayo, okay? So para po siguro hindi tayo magkagulo, alam ko po marami kayong tanong eh. So papost po sa ating chat box, mag-chat po kayo, ma'am, I have question. And then I will be acknowledging you para ma-turn on po natin yung microphone po natin para hindi po tayo magkasabay-sabay. So again, post nyo lang po sa chat, ma'am, I have a question. Then I will be calling you. That's the time that you will be turning on your microphone para masabi po natin yung question po natin. Now, pag tinawag na po natin kayo, sabihin nyo lang po, para kanino ang question? So, for example, to Miss Rosie, then ano po yung question po natin sa kanya? Okay, so we are waiting on the chat box po natin para sa mga may questions. Open na po tayo for questions, Gilivers. Yes? Parang nabusog na sila, Doc, sa mga shinare po natin na tips kung paano ba maging successful. Alright, so let us have Miss Ethel Jane Manuel. Miss Ethel, kindly turn on your microphone. Yes po.
So, Miss Rosie, when I met her, she told me about legacy or leaving legacy list to maybe to your family on your next generation. A part of me is I want to be a philanthropist as well. So a part of me is saying share because I know Miss Rosie, she's an incredible giver. So a part of me is always share what you know, share what you have, share your abilities. So, because for me right now, I am very intrigued or curious about how Chinese operates. I have this book about how culture of Chinese do their own business, and at the same time I am influenced by Westerns. About being a philanthropist, and at the same time I have this going on for myself and for my family. So I just want to know about Miss Rossi, about the living your legacy to you, to your family, and to your next generation. When you're building up your business, your financial stability, incomparable of sharing and giving. Does that make sense? Because it's quite I find it quite complicated, and it's not so easy to express.
Thank you very much for the question, Ethel. I understand you very well. That's a very good
Thank
question.
you.
Actually, recent days, I have been asking myself this question. Actually, I even asked my husband this morning. I told him, you know what? The big wisdom in life is learn how to share and give. Even though you don't have money, you can give something which is invisible, love, or your love, or your support, or something which is touch the other people's heart. You will find out in order to live a successful life. 15% is only dependent on your knowledge and skills. 85% is dependent on how you handle relationship with the others. How to handle relationship with the others, most time is dependent on how you can touch the other people's heart. One of the best way is by share and give. I found out when you start to learn how to share and give, you will find out you will receive much better, much blessings in return. That's what I feel in my life. Even though right now I don't expect much anymore in my life because I feel I was really fortunate. I achieved a lot which I I planned too much before when I was young, 20s, 30s. So I achieved a lot which I deserve to achieve. But now I think my life is already a lot more fortunate than a lot of the other people. I'm one of the benefiter for Western and Chinese culture. I learned how to balance it well. So it really helped me to know when's the time, as Chinese culture, what is better from Chinese culture, what's better for Western culture. For Chinese culture, we try to learn how to save money, how to earn more money, how to invest money. For Western culture, most of the time the people knows how to share love, how to give. So I learned very well in the Philippines how to live a life with big heart. So it make me really feel happy. That's why I found out the more I start to share, give, the more I receive, the more I become happy. That's why it become part of my life purpose. I want to live a life with significance. I want to leave legacy to the others and to my family. Yeah.
Thank you
Okay, that
very
was
much.
such a great
That is really
answer.
moving.
Yes. So, Ma'am Ethel, do you have further question po? Were you satisfied by Miss Rosie's
I
answer?
absolutely. I just want to hear more questions from the others naman to give them a
Okay.
chance.
Thank you so much, Miss Ethel, and thank you so much, Miss Rosie. So let us now proceed to our next person to ask. Meron pa po ba? Socrago. Maybe request Socrago to turn on your microphone. Socrago. Okay, so where is Socrago? Is she okay? Yes. Miss Socrago, kaya po nating i-turn on ang ating microphone.
Okay, yes.
Yes. Okay, Miss Rago, kanino po yung question po natin? Para kanino po?
Nilagay ko kay Doc Gigi privately.
Okay, so may you give us your question now po for Doc Gigi? Yes, ma'am. About po sa Rockstar po ba ito kung paano mag-invest? Is that your question po?
Yes. Oo, yun sa holdings.
Okay po, so Dr. Gigi will now be answering your question.
Ay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you, Mama. Ma'am Sok Brago. Thank you very much. Pero bago ko sagutin yan, kanina kasi nag-picture tayo, di ba? Sabi ni Ma'am Jen, Rockstar Smile. Para sa mga nagtatanong, ano ba yung Rockstar Smile, Doc? Ganito po siya. Gaganyan ka, di ba? Tapos ikikiling mo ng konti ulo mo. Rockstar Smile. Madami kasi nagsasend sa akin, Doc, ito ba yung Rockstar Smile? So, ayan po, Rockstar Smile natin. Medyo kiling siya ng konti. but anyway, yeah. Thank you for that question, ma'am. Actually, I hope, alam ko question din niya ng iba sa atin. Rockstar Holding Corporation po, how to invest, right? So as you know po, ang Rockstar Holding Corporation po, ito po yung, ang vision po nito or the purpose of this is to have shares to the different businesses. Kaya diversify po siya. So at present po, Rockstar Holding Corporation, we already have partnership business with Enspire. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Enspire. It's an IT solution company. Ang mga clients po natin dito, mga government agencies and private companies. So we're providing softwares to solve their problems sa mga data management po nila. Sa mga businesses naman nila, we provide POS, customized, and other software na kailangan nila para mapabilis po ang retrieval ng kanilang data and interpretation of the data to help the business grow faster, right? And we also have present partnership with Impresting. Sa baba po nitong office namin, meron po ng printing business.
Printing.
So we have share with that. And we also have the Rockstar Manok, ang kakalaunch namin last week. Rockstar Lechon Manok.
Congratulations.
Yeah. And we also have the Rockstar TV and Media Production. Yan. So, ang purpose po ng Rockstar TV and Media Production, actually we started it last year during the pandemic. Si maraming po doon nagme-message sa atin that time, they are seeking help on how to promote their business in social media or in their FB page, in their website. So, they don't know how to do that. Eh ngayon kasi, when you are not online, you have your business, you will die. Di ba? Sabi ni Sir Chinkitan, so let's go online. So, ang purpose ng Rockstar TV and Media Production po, to help business owners na malagay sa online ang business nila. So, if you have your business, if you want our services, pwede po kayo mag-PM mamaya, right? And, padating na po ang ating products sa Rockstar Beauty. So, by April, we are hoping na matapos na yung ating mga products and ating first business center dito sa Bataan po, sa ating office, sa Rockstar Holding Corporation. So, marami pa pong nasa pipeline na business na nagsasabit sa atin ng proposal, pero iniisa-isa lang po na natin. We prioritize yung alam natin, mas makakatulong sa maraming mga business owners pa on the grassroots. Okay? So, yan po ang Rockstar and how to do, paano po kayo mag-invest. Ganito po, ang investment po natin, if you're asking how much, Doc, paano, so kung magkano po excess money natin, yung money natin na hindi mo talaga kailangan for 3 years because nakalakin po ang pera natin ng 3 years. We are giving opportunity for you to have your passive income by investing your money to us. Kami na po ang bahalang mag-manage, then we will give you guaranteed 10% interest or income per year. So per year po, automatic we'll be giving the 10%. And if you want to become a shareholder naman po, like sa Rockstar Beauty, it's also open. It's not guaranteed. It can be higher or lower than 10%. It depends on the income of our business. So for more details, if you are really interested, just PM me sa aking personal FB. Nandiyan lang po sa paligid. Para vlog lang. Thank you. So sana nasagot ang tanong. Thank you very much.
Actually, nag-PM na ako eh.
Sige po. Baka hindi ko pa po nasasagot. Sige po. Hindi ako nag-reply.
Wala pang reply akong nakita eh.
Sa page ko po, sa personal FB?
Yes.
Pakiulit na lang po. Sige po, ma'am. I'll check my FB po.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much po, Ma'am Sok. All right. May other questions pa po ba tayo? Okay, so we have a question from... Okay, so from Ma'am Sok po. Okay, Ma'am Sok. Again, ang question po ni Ma'am Sok is, paano po handle mo JC Online? Ma'am, ang question po ba natin, kung pwede po ba naming i-handle ang inyong JC Online? Is that your question, Ma'am Sok? Pa-turn on na lang po ang microphone, ma'am.
Yes, sorry.
Okay po. So, ito po ba yung binanggit ni Doc G kanina about Rockstar TV Media Productions po natin? Yung po ba, ma'am?
Nakalinya doon.
Okay po. Sige po, ma'am. Ganito po tayo, ma'am. Magsaset po tayo ng separate meeting with you so that we can discuss sa kung paano po namin kayo matutulungan with your business. Ano po, sa pagdating po sa promotions and marketing with our team. Okay po, ma'am. Magme-message po kami sa inyo para po makapag-set po tayo ng separate meeting on that. Okay? Thank you so much po,
Yes.
Ma'am Sok.
Thank you.
Okay, so we have another question from Ma'am Cheryl. Okay, Ma'am Cheryl, pa-open or pa-turn on na lang po ng ating microphone. Miss Cheryl?
Hello po.
Yes po. Ma'am,
Rinig
para
po
kanino
ba?
po ang yes po, ma'am. Rinig na rinig po. Para kanino po ang question po natin, Ma'am Cheryl?
Pwede pong vote or kung
Ay,
sino pong available.
Actually, pwede naman po.
kaibigan lang. Good morning, Doc Gigi and Ma'am Rosie and to all Jelivers. Pasensya na, kagigising lang po. Maaga pa dito sa Jeddah.
Good morning po. Good morning.
So, kung question ko po, kasi meron na po akong ongoing pong business dito sa Saudi, yung First Vita Plus. So, still on, iniisip ko pa rin po kung talagang kailangan ko na mag for good. Kaya syempre, mahirap po talaga sa ibang bansa. So, okay naman po yung ngayon, okay naman po yung network na. Pero syempre, parang, lagi nga sinasabi ni Doc Gigi na dapat laging parang, tawag dito? Mag-execute or dapat mag-isip talaga kung ano talaga yung pinaka-decision kasi syempre yung aga-aga. Kaya lang syempre iniisip mo lalo nga sa Pilipinas mahirap po. Though okay naman po, kumikita naman talaga yung business. Nag-start na kami ng August. Then international na po yung grupo ko. Thanks God. Syempre kakapanood po ng vlog ni Doc Gigi, talagang kalakasan ng loob. So isa sa naging spark ko po talaga. Yun po. Na naman ako. Yun po, thank you po.
Okay, so Doc G, ano po ba ang i-advise po natin kay Ma'am Cheryl?